Hello everyone! Does this ever happen to you? You start getting a sinking sensation every Sunday evening. Are you starting to feel anxious about Monday, like Kuni Monday, which is making you feel a little less relaxed after a fun weekend? If you're nodding in agreement, you're sick of crowded local trains or traffic jams or endless office hours, especially if you are in your late 20s or 30s and navigating the corporate jungles of Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, or any Indian city. You must be thinking, surely life has more to offer. Then buckle up. If you ever had a dream of life where every day feels like Sunday morning, today is your lucky day. We are unlocking this blueprint for the 6 Sundays a week life. It's not a far-fetched dream. It's not new reality waiting just around the corner. Let me paint a picture. Every Friday, many of us think, hooray, it's Friday. Or it goes by, these days, TGIF, right? Thank God it's a Friday. Friday aa gaya, aaj to party hogi. Does this happen to you too? Let me tell you, that was me just a few years ago. I used to wait for weekends to celebrate with my friends or go out with the family, and I was just earning well, but somewhere I began to feel something was missing, and a thought popped into my head on one fine Sunday morning. What if every day was like this Sunday? Imagine a life where you can live 6 Sundays a week, a life full of freedom, love, and no Monday blues. It sounds crazy, right? I thought of it as well. I thought it's a fantasy too, until I started introspecting, which led me to find 2 missing pieces: passion and purpose. These pieces were the keys to this dream, the vision that I had, and I asked myself, why save passion just for Sunday? Why not live it every day? Fast forward 5 years, 6 years later, I'm living that dream. Yes, I'm living that vision, but it did not even take 5 years, just 1 or 2 years, right? While many are trapped into these routines, I cultivated a life where my work generates passive income for me. My bank balance grows even, when I sleep. I don't have to wait until the end of month for paychecks. Instead of me reaching out to clients, they have started to come to me. Crafting a 6 Sundays a week life, might sound like a distant dream to you, but it is closer than you think. Now, would you like to know the step-by-step process that helped me to reach this point, to become India's first Passionpreneur mentor, creating a Passionpreneur movement, having so many team members and traveling the world? And this also allows me to help countless mentees unlock their potential and become financially independent. If the answer is yes, stick around till the end and I'll reveal it to you. For now, let me walk you through a structured approach, one that led to building, our foundation of this 6 Sundays a week life. There are 7 steps that one needs to follow. Step number 1, find your purpose and passion. See, deep dive, reflect, ask yourself, if money was not an object, it was not a problem, what would you be doing today? List down all our joys and discover the essence behind them. For example, you say like, playing guitar, but you know what, just playing a guitar, maybe it brings people together, or storytelling through music. This question has been asked to me thousands of times, but Dave, we often start something full of energy, but we're not able to be consistent, and then we drop it. Why? Maybe your motive or purpose for starting it, was not right. But your passion, was probably wrong. Motive was not right. Or maybe your passion was, in the right place, but you selected the wrong purpose. Once your passion connects to the strong purpose, you will also be unstoppable, right? So find your purpose. Number 2, spot the gaps. When you are in your day job, start doing one thing regularly. Become an active observer of your life. Notice the small irritations and inefficiencies. Do not forget to write them down. Then, later in your free time, think about them. Can your passion bridge these gaps? Try to figure out solutions. What you might not realize is that there are often goals in these solutions. So that's number 2. Number 3, chase skills and then chase more. So you love photography. Great. Now go beyond just clicking pictures. Learn about editing, understand different lenses, and perhaps even explore drone photography. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even YouTube tutorials are gold mines to learn all these. Become the go-to expert in your niche, the one who stops learning, stops growing. In any field, whether it is sports, business, education, or mentoring, they all never let go of one thing. No matter how successful they get, how big they become, that's learning. It never stops. Number 4, always remember to test the waters first. Now, before you plunge into deep waters, they often say to, dip your toe. If you get excited and jump into deep waters, directly, you're just increasing your odds of drowning. It's risky. Never ever do that. Instead, host a small workshop. Create a small mini online course or even volunteer. Gather feedback and then refine your process accordingly. Remember, your passion's evolution begins here. Number 5, monetize. As your craft improves, so does its worth. You may start with discounted rates or even free services, but make sure to document testimonials. Gradually, as the word spreads, start increasing your prices. Set a price tag that truly reflects your expertise. And here's a pro tip. Every time you increase your price, ask yourself, honestly, what else can I improve? It may be anything from starting from directly linked to the work you're doing. It may not directly affect your work, but definitely improve your business. You see, when you focus on serving others or giving more, the universe it'll pay you back in multiple ways. Step 6, commit completely. You see, thinking of scaling up, right? Don't make mistake that 99% of people make. They just chase numbers. Instead of that, seek depth. Why serve 1,000 customers superficially when you can deeply impact 100? These passionate followers become your brand ambassadors and your mission starts to spread organically. Now, goodwill is rare and valuable asset. And if that is backed by a one-of-a-kind solution that your niche desperately needs, man, you have hit the jackpot. Number 7, smart work over hard work. See, in today's age, why work harder when you can work smarter? Use tools like Buffer for social media, Calendly for scheduling, ChatGPT for handling your content creation process. If you want more detailed information on how AI can help you or your business, I made another 2 videos on it, one on ChatGPT and the other one on how to use AI, right? It'll open your mind more to the realities of how easy it has become to build something of your own today. Make technology your silent partner, working in the background as you enjoy 6 Sunday. The 6 Sundays a week life isn't just a dreamy concept. It's very much possible and many are living it. By finding your purpose, you're developing your skills and working smart, you can earn not just money, but freedom, fulfillment, and happiness. And these aren't just steps. They are a compass, guiding you towards a life where every day feels like holiday. So why wait for next weekend or next week or next month? Dive into 6 Sundays a week right now, today. In the beginning, I spoke about my process, the step I followed that helped me become India's first passion mentor, build a multi-million-dollar, lifestyle. What's more, it has also helped me, coach and teach my countless mentees find their passion and build business around it, right? Freeing them from chains of 9-to-5 days or getting stuck as a freelancer or a small businessman. And those are one of the few who don't just, watch content or get entertained, but they take steps, learn something. If you're eager, hungry, 100% dedicated, making your life better, and you can make, others' lives better if you make your life better. So if you're really serious about this, then I have something interesting I want to share with you. I'm conducting an exclusive webinar for my next batch of mentees where I'll walk you through my frameworks with a step-by-step process. Please don't just believe my words. In fact, never blindly believe any words or anybody's words. Instead, come with an open mind, see for yourself, and then take a call. The link will be there in the webinar. So if you're really serious, click the link in the description, right? And if you found this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel and stay tuned for more valuable content, okay? Click the link. I'll see you in the webinar. Let's transform your life one Sunday at a time. This is Dave Gadvi. I'll see you in the webinar.